In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create intake forms in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent way to collect requests and turn them into actionable tasks without chasing details. First, we'll set up the project that will house your submissions. Think of this as the home base where every new request lands. Create a new project and name it something clear like incoming requests or intake so your team instantly knows where to look. Choose the layout you prefer, but a list view works great for scanning new items. Next, add the custom fields you'll need, such as priority, request type, and department. This part matters because the form questions you create later can map directly to these fields, which keeps your data consistent and sortable. When adding drop-down options for things like request type, keep the list short and unambiguous to reduce guesswork. Finally, add a new requests section at the very top of your project. This gives you a dedicated landing zone where every new submission will appear, making triage faster and clearer for your team. Now let's build the form itself. In the top right corner of your project, click Customize. In the panel that opens, choose Forms, then select Add Form. Give your form a descriptive title such as Marketing Request Intake, so submitters know exactly what it's for. You'll see a left sidebar with question types you can drag onto the form. Use short text for things like a request title, date for timelines or due dates, and drop down or multi-select when you want to control the choices and keep your data clean. As you add each question, map it to the matching custom field you created earlier. For example, connect your request type question to the request type custom field. This mapping ensures every response lands in the right place on your task, which makes filtering and reporting effortless. Keep your wording simple and specific. If a question needs context, add a brief description right under it to explain what a good answer looks like. Mark truly essential fields as required to avoid back and forth later. Arrange questions in a logical flow, starting with the basics, then details, and finally timing or priority. Aim for just enough information to start work confidently without overwhelming the submitter. That's it. With a solid project foundation and a well-structured form, every submission becomes a trackable task in your new request section, complete with clean fields and consistent data. As your needs evolve, you can refine the fields and wording to keep your intake process fast, clear, and reliable.